It's okay.
As long as we suffer together, it's okay.
Why did I not swallow it like a tablet?
It's stuck in my teeth.
Mouth smells like a pet shop. What do I do?
Call a vet. I want.
And tell them what? I'm optionally sat at home at 1:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Eating crickets.
Call Darwin. You're winning the award.
My little chatty beans. A JPEG made me do it.
Oh, you're right. You'd sound schizo. Just hire a therapist.